In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter using Wix in just 5 minutes. Whether you're promoting your business, sharing updates, or keeping your audience engaged, newsletters are a fantastic way to stay connected with your audience. Let's get started and walk through the steps you need to follow to create and send out your very own newsletter with ease. The first thing you need to do is log into your Wix account. Once you're signed in, head over to your site's dashboard. This is your command center within Wix and will be your starting point. Now, navigating around this dashboard can seem a bit daunting at first, but with a little exploration, you'll soon find how intuitive it is. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Marketing section. Here, you'll find a variety of tools designed to boost your site's visibility and engagement. Click on Email Marketing. This powerful feature is where you'll create your newsletter. You're now in the creative sphere where the magic happens. With the email marketing tool open, it's time to customize your newsletter. Wix provides a range of templates that can serve as a great starting point. Choose one that aligns with your brand's style and the message you want to convey. You can easily alter colors, fonts, and layouts to fit your brand identity. Remember that good design not only looks aesthetically pleasing, but also enhances readability and drives engagement. Add your content, whether it's text, images, or links to your products or blogs. Be sure to keep your message clear and concise. Once you're happy with your design, it's vital to preview and test your newsletter. You want to ensure it looks great across all devices, whether your audience opens it on a desktop or a phone. Send a test email to yourself or a colleague to double-check everything looks as you intended. This is a great way to catch any typos or design errors before your newsletter reaches your audience. With your newsletter polished and ready, the final step is to add your recipients and send it out. In the email marketing tool, you can import your contacts or manually add email addresses. Choose your audience carefully to align with your newsletter's content and goals. Before sending, consider the timing of your email. You want to make sure it reaches your audience when they're most likely to open it. When everything looks good, it's time to hit send and let Wix handle the rest. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to create a newsletter in Wix. Remember, regular communication with your audience can enhance engagement and grow your brand. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're now ready to create your very own newsletter with Wix.